Okay, go bro, go. No need to honk me that hard. He just like bah, and I was like, okay bro, go. I'm gonna follow the bro code for you. Kia Sonet. I like that car. It's an amazing, compact, budget friendly car. Good people giving indicators. Nice. Not that one. Ooh. Whoa, look at the smoke. It smells like that the MCD thing. That smoke जो धुआं फैला के जाता है. It's actually smoking like that. I wonder what he's got in his tank. Let's hope it's fuel. Good luck, bro. He's still on indicator. I don't know why. So finally we are exiting. We will be exiting this highway pretty soon, and we'll take a left from here towards sector 16, and we're gonna go towards the nearest fuel pump that's in sector 16, 17-ish, 16, 15-ish. So let's hope we get there as soon as possible. And I don't know why I'm riding so fast today. It's been quite a time that I'm out on my bike, so I guess my mind is not able to read the speed. It happens actually when you're on two-wheeler and it's been quite long, you know, banging these levers. Sometimes you are just fast. You also don't know what the fuck is going on with you. We're gonna keep it under 60 here, 60, 50-ish, because I really don't want to bang my head on another vehicle, because it's UP and it's Noida. So drivers are really good here. So, you know, समझने वाले समझ गए. And I just love UP because UP से सीधा खबर आती है. And we've got these cute little cuts. First of all, जो कहीं से भी आ जाते हैं, and second of all, जब तक आपको पता लगेगा कि वहाँ पर कट है, by that time आपकी बाइक, ऑटो, कार, whatever it is, किस कर रही होगी सामने वाले व्हीकल को. So I don't know why I'm still losing power. Sluggish. Here we've got a full-fledged market. If you like non-veg, if you like non-veg items, plus if you drink, यहाँ पर ठेका भी है and खाने की बहुत सारी चीज़ें और जगह भी हैं. So it solves the purpose depending upon the person. So I've got a petrol pump here, but my experience was not that good because they've got all these manual machines. They're not having that automated stuff. They are having actually, but I don't trust this petrol pump because previously I got scammed here, and yes, it was my personal experience. I just asked that guy that, okay dude, auto cut kar dena isko. Auto cut is when the machine stops automatically. There is no hands involved, and whenever there is a hand involved, आप समझ जाइए कि आपका कट चुका है. As far as fuel filling is concerned, so whenever you're getting a fuel, everyone, सबको पता है वैसे, but the people who are not aware about it, just ask them to not to touch the nozzle, set it on auto cut and let it get filled, because a lot has changed now. You know, technology is there, but वो टेक्नोलॉजी भी इंसानों ने ही बनाई है. So there is a hack for everything. Battery is not draining that fast today, GoPro's battery, because the camera is not heating up. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys, for the people who use GoPro, specifically for those people who use GoPro. But yes, मुझे ये feel हमेशा से हुआ है. If you're using a GoPro in winters, less battery consume करता है camera. So it is what it is. Okay, why this petrol pump is all ujad. I don't know what's going on with this place. इन्होंने ये सेटअप, ओके, इनका कुछ चक्कर चल रहा है. These are all temporary stations. Fuck. और यहाँ पक्का इन्होंने कुछ ना कुछ, अब क्या कह सकते हैं, देखते हैं. चलो, डिफरेंस तो पता लग ही जाएगा. भैया ठीक है. So we've got the fuel and we are out of reserve now, so let's switch it off. the reserve thing. So yes, okay, it's not starting. Why? Just डर लगता है whenever this bike refuse कि मैं start नहीं होंगी, कर ले जो उखाड़ना है उखाड़ ले. And yes, she does that a lot. What happened? What happened? Are you still in reserve? You're not in reserve now. I've got you fuel. You're not in reserve. Yes, she understands me now. Let's continue our ride now and enjoy the scenery. Tribun. We've got a Renault Tribun. Okay, that's Noida. That's nice. It's made of stone, I guess. My battery is actually deteriorating, but it's quite slow. It's very slow. वो बात पूरी हो नहीं पाई, but yes, it is actually a thing that if you're using GoPro in winters, ideally batteries winters में या cool temperature में जल्दी ख़त्म होते हैं. But because GoPro का and I really don't know if it makes sense to you people or not, but क्योंकि GoPro itself temperature नहीं बढ़ने देता कैमरे का because of the ठंड and everything, cool winds and everything, blah blah blah. So I don't think so इसकी बैटरी भी ज़्यादा तेज़ी से डिटीरियोरेट होती है. और I've set this camera at max setting क्योंकि रात में मैं शूट कर रहा हूँ and I really want you people to see the best out of my videos. So yes, यहाँ से हम लेंगे left towards आश्रम and देखते हैं फिर क्या करते हैं. I don't know if left turn is free or not. Still either way we're gonna stop. We'll wait and okay, ये तो चले गए भाई साहब. And I don't see a left turn की red light, so we're gonna go towards left. We're gonna go. Yes, it's free I guess. Okay, हम अपनी सारी lights on करेंगे यहाँ पर because okay, बंद नहीं on करेंगे. नहीं रहने दो. Look at these lights. I just love these lights. Just look at the throw. I just love these lights. I wish I can get 2 more of these, you know. 4 fog lights. Wow man, amazing. Feeling ही amazing हो जाएगी. रोड पे किसी को कुछ दिखे ना दिखे, मुझे सब कुछ दिखेगा. थोड़ा सा फास्ट चलेंगे, इस गाड़ी के साथ साथ ही निकलेंगे यहाँ से because I don't feel safe here. It's not that safe. Okay, it's a highway, but yes, it's not that safe. So I really want to follow someone. Someone is coming from. Oh fuck! Yes, shit. You know those sort of गड्ढास. अगर मेरी बाइक में अभी रिम होता, एलॉय रिम होता, तो उसके अंदर पक्का डेफिनेटली वो टूट जाता. बिकॉज ऑफ दीज स्पोक व्हील्स टायर में काफ़ी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी रहती है और यही चीज़ लोग समझते नहीं हैं जनरली. इट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप जब भी बाइक के अंदर कोई एक्सेसरी लगवाएं तो you should feel confident about it. Now I frankly speaking, I don't feel that confident with a pair of alloy wheels. Why? Because they do break. And as far as these spoke rims are concerned, इसकी सिर्फ spokes टूटते हैं and that you can get it replaced anywhere for 50, 60, 150 or 100 rupees. So that's a trade-off that you need to do, and it's a big trade-off safety का. या तो आपके रिम टूटेंगे या 1-2 स्पोक टूटेंगे. So it's totally up to you guys what you do. But मेरे हिसाब से हमेशा हमें सेफ्टी को प्रायर रखना चाहिए. That's what we should do. Okay, this guy is actually confused. Right left 3 बार इंडिकेटर्स चेंज किए सर ने, 2 या 3 बार. इनसे हम थोड़ी सी दूरी बना के रखेंगे because I really don't want to kiss that guy.